In the world of religious discourse, few names spark as much debate, admiration, and controversy as Dr. Zakir Naik. A man who rose from the streets of Mumbai to global prominence, armed with nothing but a microphone, a memory like a database, and a mission to defend Islam through reason and logic. But who is Dr. Zakir Naik really? A preacher? A scholar? A provocateur? Or a misunderstood reformer? This is the story of the man behind the mission. Welcome to Dr. Zakir Naik, the voice, the verdict, the vision, early life education. Born on October 18, 1965, in Mumbai, India, Zakir Abdul Karim Naik was raised in a modest household. His father, Abdul Karim Naik, was a physician and an Islamic thinker, and his mother a homemaker. From a young age, Zakir showed signs of brilliance, particularly in academics. He pursued medicine at Topiwala National Medical College and BYL Nair Hospital, earning his MBBS degree. But while his peers went on to become practicing doctors, Zakir's calling was different. Inspired by Ahmed Deedat, a South African Islamic preacher known for his interfaith debates, Zakir Naik shifted his focus from medicine to comparative religion. What followed was a transformation that would redefine Islamic preaching in the modern age, the birth of IRF public debates. In 1991, Zakir Naik founded the Islamic Research Foundation, IRF, in Mumbai. The goal? To promote Islamic teachings through modern media and public discourse. His lectures were unlike anything the Muslim world had seen. Fluent in English, Hindi, and Urdu, Zakir Naik quoted the Quran, the Bible, the Bhagavad Gita, and even scientific journals, often from memory. His style was assertive, fast-paced, and deeply analytical. He debated Christian missionaries, Hindu scholars, and atheists. His most famous line? "If you prove to me that Jesus is God, I will become a Christian today." Crowds flocked to his events, sometimes numbering in the tens of thousands. His lectures were broadcast globally, and his YouTube channel gained millions of views. But with fame came scrutiny, controversies, criticism. Dr. Zakir Naik's rise was not without backlash. Critics accused him of being a fundamentalist, of misinterpreting religious texts, and of inciting communal tension. In 2016, following the Dhaka terrorist attack, Indian authorities alleged that one of the attackers had been inspired by Naik's speeches. Though Naik denied any connection, the Indian government banned the IRF and issued a non-bailable warrant for his arrest under anti-terror laws. He left India and sought refuge in Malaysia, where he was granted permanent residency. But even there, controversy followed. His comments on Malaysian ethnic groups sparked outrage, leading to temporary bans on his public speaking. Internationally, he was banned from entering the UK, Canada, and Bangladesh. Yet, despite these restrictions, his online presence remained strong. Global influence support. While Western governments labeled him controversial, many in the Muslim world saw him as a hero. In countries like Malaysia, Indonesia, and parts of Africa, Zakir Naik was celebrated as a defender of Islam. His lectures were translated into multiple languages. His channel, Peace TV, reached millions across the globe. He was awarded the King Faisal International Prize for Service to Islam in 2015, one of the highest honors in the Muslim world. Supporters praised his ability to articulate Islamic beliefs in a rational, scientific framework. He was seen as a counter-narrative to Islamophobia and Western misrepresentation of Muslims, but the divide between admiration and criticism remained sharply philosophy style. What makes Zakir Naik's style so compelling? Comparative religion. He often juxtaposes Islamic teachings with those of Christianity, Hinduism, and science. Rapid recall. His ability to quote chapter and verse from multiple scriptures is unmatched. Scientific lens. He frequently uses scientific discoveries to support Quranic verses. Debate format. His Q&A sessions are confrontational yet structured, allowing critics to challenge him directly. This method appeals to young Muslims seeking intellectual validation of their faith. But it also draws criticism for oversimplifying complex theological concepts and cherry-picking verses. Legacy future. As of today, Dr. Zakir Naik remains in Malaysia, continuing his work through online platforms. His influence on Islamic discourse is undeniable, whether you see him as a reformer, a radical, or a revolutionary. One thing is clear: Zakir Naik changed the way Islam is discussed in the public sphere. His legacy will be debated for years to come. But for millions, he remains a voice of conviction in a world of confusion. Truth stands out clear from error, says the Quran. Dr. Zakir Naik believes he's simply helping people see that truth. What do you think? Is he a voice of reason or a voice of division? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the minds that shape our world.